Hi guys, got a mini project today in between working on the polishing machine. Bass drum mounts for the Imperialstar and Superstars. Now they used a 1 1/8 tube for their Omnisphere holders, and a guy's contacted me asking me if I could design something to make this accept a 1-inch tube, like your MTH 500 for instance, or any other tom mount that utilises a 1-inch tube. So the first thing to do is to measure up these slots and cutouts for the adapter. It's quite a robust bracket actually, and you can see it's got these two posts here which what the tube will push up against, and it's got this clamp plate, so it's held in 3 places. So first thing to do is get that cadded up. I've printed it in TPU, so it's going to be very flexible, and you can see the 2 cutouts here which will allow it to move and clamp up against the tube. You can see the notches for the posts there. This boss is the original memory lock location point. And this boss here will accept a Grandstar type memory lock. Next up, we're slicing it so we can send it to the printer, and I've put it to 100% infill, so it's really strong. So here's the print, TPU, and like I say, it's flexible, so that will move with the clamp there. This location is for that bit, and that boss should fit the Grandstar clamp. If you see here, that recess in there, we push that down, that fits in there perfectly, and it will not move. So if we put this on there, that locates in there. This will locate in there, push into that, clamp it up, doesn't need to be tight, and that is absolutely solid. And it doesn't distract from the original look. It doesn't look out of place. And there you go, and you've got your Grandstar holder on an Omnisphere mount. I think the coolest part about it is that I've got a textured plate on my printer, and it actually matches the texture of the casting. So cool. I'm really chuffed with this design. I think it'll work well, and I'm sending it to my friend so we can road test it and see how it holds up. If you need something like this, just reach out on the channel. I'm always looking for new designs for stuff, and if I can help out in any way, drop me a line and I'll try and get it sorted for you.